In the coming weeks, millions of people will hire a trainer, join a gym, or sign up for highly structured programs to keep them on track and motivated to exercise. And it'll work, for a little while anyway. Sadly, the vast majority will lose steam by about February. Here's an invitation and some free tools for you to make 2020 different by learning how to exercise smart so you stay focused and motivated. All year long, I'll be sharing information, tips, and tools to help you stay away from the common time, energy, and motivation draining approaches to exercise. I'll show you how to stay focused on using exercise as your time-efficient, whole-person resource for being well now. There are 2 free ways for you to get started with a clear vision of what is most important to you about exercising and being healthy this year. Both can be found on my website, exercisingwell.com. The first is a free download of a simple yet powerful tool called My 2020 Vision for Health and Well-Being. The second is a free coaching call with me. Together, we will clarify your core why for exercising right now. Join me in making 2020 the year that you exercise smart and stay focused all year long. I look forward to having you in our Exercising Well community.